7 through 9, they are specifying which term they would like you to find. Okay, and this goes back to the ones where we had you guys find all 5 terms. Here they're just specifying, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here they're just specifying which one they want. So here specifically they want the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And they're using a recursive definition, meaning we're building off of the previous term. Okay, that's what this means, previous term. Well, the first one's already done for us. We don't need to do any work for that. In the next one, the second one, we're building off of this 2. So we're going to say negative 3 times the previous answer, which was 2, plus 4. Okay, so that's negative 6 plus 4, which is negative 2. In the third term, we're building off of this previous answer right here. So negative 3, this time the previous answer was negative 2 plus 4. So 2 negatives make a positive 6 plus 4 is 10. All right, and then we're going to say the fourth term, which is the one we're looking for, negative 3 times the previous term, which is 10, plus 4. So negative 30 plus 4, negative 26. And that's the one that they want. They want the negative 26. So you don't even have to bother finding the fifth. I was just showing you how you guys have seen it previously. Here they want the third term. So 1, 2, 3. Remember, the first one, if it's recursive, the first one, we don't need to do any work for that. So that's just the answer of 3. This one, when we get to the second one, is building off of that previous answer. So negative 6 times the previous term is going to give me negative 18. The third one, which is the one that we want, that's what they specify here, we're going to say still a negative 6 times the previous answer of negative 18. And we're going to get 108. The 2 negatives should cancel out. And that's my third term. Okay, the last one that they want is the fifth term. So this time I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 of them. And we want this one down here. First term, remember it's already done for us. Don't do any work for that one. Second term, previous term plus 15. So previous term is 0, plus 15 is 15. Third term, previous term is 15, plus 15 is 30. Fourth term, 30 plus 15. And the last one, the one that they want, 45 is the previous term, plus 15 is 60. All right, so we want to find our rule. That's called find the rule for the arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic specifically is the nth term equals dn plus c. Remember, it's just like y equals mx plus b. So d is considered the slope, just like m was. And c we'll have to also solve for. Okay, so to find d, or remember d is the same as m, you're using your slope formula. You're just finding y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, your y values are the bigger numbers, so negative 58 minus a negative 10, remember those are both going to become positive, all over 20 minus 8. So in the top I have negative 48, in the bottom I have 12, which reduces to negative 4. That's D. Now to figure out C, we're going to pick one of these. It doesn't matter which one you choose. I try to stick with the one with the smaller numbers. So I'm going to choose this. That means negative 10 is going to fill in for my nth term. D, remember, is my slope, my negative 4. N is the term number, so that's 8. We're on the 8th position, and the answer is negative 10. We're looking for C, so here we get negative 32 plus C. So to solve for C, I want to add 32, which brings me to positive 22 for C. Okay, so the highlighted parts are the ones that we want to go back and fill in. We're leaving it as the nth term. Remember, D is negative 4, N plus 22. Okay, next one, same way. I'm going to go a little bit faster this time. We're finding the slope, so 15 minus 23. Same way we would find M. 9 minus 5. All right, in the top, we're going to have negative 8. In the bottom, we have positive 4. When I reduce, I get negative 2. That's D. You can use either one of these as your nth term. So I'm going to say 23 equals negative 2. If I'm using 23, n is 5. That means in the fifth position, the number 23 would be our answer. Okay, this is negative 10. So to get rid of it, I'm going to add 10. 33 would be C. So again, the highlighted parts are the ones that you want to fill in. Negative 2 was D. 33 is C.